We'll guide you through how to install WordPress in Xampp Localhost in Windows. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now Pausa is going to continue with the guide.
Now before we install WordPress, we need to install a local web server on our computer.
This creates a local environment on your computer so you can build and test a WordPress website before putting it online.
The software that we will use is Xampp. So just go ahead and open any browser to your liking, and then in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Xampp and hit enter. And you will see Xampp for your operating system. Just go ahead and choose your operating system, and your download should start automatically, but if it does not, you can just go ahead and click here. And once that the download is complete, just go ahead and click on it to run the setup wizard. After that, just go ahead and click on next. You can leave most of the options at default and click on next, and leave the destination folder as default and click on next. Now just wait for the installation to complete. Once that the Xampp is installed, just go ahead and toggle on do you want to start the control panel now and click on finish. Once that the Xampp is installed, it should open automatically. And now inside the control panel, you will see several services. The two services that we need are Apache and MySQL.
Apache is responsible for serving your website locally, while MySQL stores all of the content and settings that WordPress needs to operate.
So just go ahead and click on start for Apache and do the same for MySQL. And now once both services show green status, your local server is running correctly. Now we need to download WordPress itself. Just open any browser to your liking, and in the search bar, just go ahead and search for WordPress download. And now just go to the official website for WordPress and click on download WordPress 7.0 or the latest version. And now your WordPress should start downloading, so just wait for the zip file to finish downloading. And once that the download is complete, just go ahead and click on show in folder. And now you will see WordPress has been successfully downloaded as a zip file. So just go ahead and select it and choose to extract all and click on extract. Now just wait for the extraction to complete as it may take some time. And once that the extraction is complete, you will go inside the folder and you will see WordPress folder. So basically just select and press Ctrl X to cut, and then just go to your local disk C, and then you should see your Xampp folder. Just go ahead and search for Xampp folder here, and here it is. So just go ahead and double click on it. Now you will see htdocs folder. Just go inside the htdocs, and basically the htdoc folder is where Xampp stores website that can be accessed through localhost. We need to place our WordPress file inside this folder. So here, just go ahead and press Ctrl V to paste it here. And now you can rename this folder to something more meaningful for our project instead of leaving it to WordPress. So I'm just gonna right click on it and choose to rename it to something like GuideRealm site. So I'll just type GuideRealm site and hit enter.
Giving the folder a custom name helps keep your project organized and will also be used in your local website address.
Now that the WordPress file are in place, we need to create a database. So just open your Xampp, and then once the Xampp is open, you will see MySQL admin. Just go ahead and click on that. This opens PHP MyAdmin, which is included with Xampp and allows us to manage MySQL database. So I'll just wait for it to load. And now you will land in this interface. Now on the left side, just go ahead and click on new, and under database name, enter the name for your database. So let's say I want to name my database like GuideRealm _ DB. After that, just go ahead and click on create.
The database name can be anything that you like, but using a descriptive name makes it easier to recognize later.
Now your new database will be created successfully, and as you can see, we have successfully created our new database. We can now begin the WordPress installation. So now just open a new tab and then type localhost / in the name of your folder, which in my case, it's going to be GuideRealm site, and hit enter.
If the WordPress installation wizard appears, that means your files are in correct location and your local server is also running properly.
The first page asks you to choose a language. Just go ahead and select your preferred language. Mine is going to be English, and then just go ahead and click on continue. Now WordPress will show you a page explaining the information it needs to connect to database. Now just go ahead and click on let's go. On the next screen, you will need to enter your database details. So for database name, enter the database that we created earlier. If you are confused, just go to the phpMyAdmin and you will see we have named it GuideRealm_DB. So just go ahead and type that exactly. For username, you can just go ahead and type root. This is the default MySQL username used by Xampp. For password, leave it completely blank. By default, Xampp does not set a MySQL password. For database host, you can leave it at localhost, and for table prefix, you can leave it at wp_. Just go ahead and click on submit, and if everything was entered correctly, WordPress will successfully connect to the database. Now, WordPress will ask for information about your website. For site title, enter the name of your website. So let's say I want to type something like GuideRealm WordPress and site. And now choose an admin username. Many beginners use admin, but you can choose any username that you prefer. So let's say I will type something like GuideRealm and then enter your password. For a real website, you must use a strong password. Since this is only a local installation, you can use a simple password for testing if you want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type a simple password. After that, you can just go ahead and toggle on confirm use of weak password and also add your email. This email is used for notification and account management. After that, click on install WordPress. WordPress will now create all of the required table and configuration file automatically. And now, after a few moments, you should see a success message confirming that WordPress has been installed. Just go ahead and click on login, and also keep in mind that this is your username. So just go ahead and click on login. And now just go ahead and type your username and then type your password that you created earlier. After that, you can toggle on remember me also and then click on login. Just wait for a few moments and now you should arrive inside the WordPress dashboard.
This dashboard is the control center of your WordPress site, where you will manage content, appearance, and settings.
From here, you can create pages, write blog post, install theme, install plugin, upload image, and customize your profile. To view your website, move your mouse over to the site name at the top and just go ahead and click on visit site. You will now see your WordPress website running locally on your Windows computer. Any changes that you make inside the dashboard will immediately appear in this particular local website.
Keep in mind that this website is running entirely on your computer, so Apache and MySQL must remain active whenever you want to access it.
And that's it. That's how you install WordPress locally on Windows using Xampp.